How to get new app users on Temu. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can invite new users to sign up on Temu using your referral link so you can start earning those free rewards. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps in the process. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure your Temu app is up to date. If you're on Android, head over to the Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, check the App Store. Look for any available updates and install them to make sure everything runs smoothly. Using the latest version ensures that everything works correctly, especially the Earn Gifts section. Once updated, go ahead and open the Temu app. Now that you've opened the app, make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap the U icon at the bottom center of the screen. At the top, you should see your username or email, which confirms that you're signed in. Now here's the important part. We need to access the section where you can invite friends and earn rewards. From the main screen, scroll down or browse around until you see a banner or button that says Earn Credits and Free Gifts. If you can't find it, no worries. Just go to Settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right. Here, select Country and Region. Change your region to the United States or Australia. This section is sometimes region-specific and shows up based on your location. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts or just Earn Rewards. In this section, you'll usually see a few promotions or mini-games Temu runs to encourage users to refer others. Pick any game or gift campaign you'd like to participate in. It could be a free gadget, clothes bundle, or other rewards. After you select it, Temu might show you some pop-ups or promotional steps. You can skip through these quickly. What we're looking for is the screen that says Invite Friends. Once that appears, tap it. Now you'll see a small menu pop up from the bottom. Here, you'll have the option to either copy your referral link or copy your referral code. Choose the one that works best for you, but in most cases, the link is easier to share because users can just click and go directly to the app. Go ahead and tap on Copy Link. Your referral link is now ready to share. Next, open your Notes app and write a short, friendly message that explains to new users how to use your link. Here's an example you can use. Hey, I'm using this shopping app called Temu to get free gifts, and you can too. Just click this link, download the app, and sign up as a new user. You'll get a discount or free item, and I'll get credit too. Let's both win. At last, just paste your link. Make it sound natural. Now comes the part, where to get new users. Here are a few places where you can share your referral link effectively. Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram groups. If you're part of any online deal sharing or student groups, post your message there. Try Instagram stories or DMs. Share your link and message on stories or directly with friends. Reddit. Communities are great places to connect with users who actually want to use your link. TikTok comments or videos. If you create a short video explaining how to get free gifts on Temu, you can drop your referral link in the comments or your bio. Just remember, don't spam. Instead, try to provide value, explain how Temu works, or even record a quick screen video showing the rewards. And that's it! This is how you can get new users to join Temu using your referral link and unlock your free gifts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And that's how you can start bringing new users onto Temu using your referral link and unlock your free gifts along the way. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Temu tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.